Yeah, it's got a leak under the sink here.
Oh, it's just there.
It's just dripping.
Don't know where from?
No, just making a right mess down the bottom of there.
What the best thing we can do, Tim, with this is probably just keep an eye on it for a few days.
Okay.
Make sure it's all right. So
keep your eye on it.
Keep my eye on it. So is there anything we can do? Anything can do to pass the time? Yeah, have a look at that, mate.
We'll do, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah.
Right then, I have had a call out from a mate of mine, it's always a mate, for a little bit of a plumbing issue in one of his flats. So I've got to shoot over there now, take a look at it, see what it is and see if it's an easy fix. I hope it's an easy fix because I don't think I'm going to get many tools into a little suitcase, but we'll see. We'll chuck that in there because this little call out involves a suitcase, a car journey, an airport, 3 countries and maybe an F1 race. But as you've probably seen from the title, let's go and check out the plumbing in Monaco. So first off, let's put Luton Airport in the sat-nav. Right then, here we go. The longest call out and the furthest call out I've ever done. How much do you think a call out in Monaco would be for a plumber? Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to try and find, if I can, a local tradesman or a local plumber or anyone around Monaco, just to ask them what the average call out cost would be over there. But first of all, we've got to get there. We're flying with EasyJet, so I'm checking in. We've got to fly from Luton Airport into Nice, then from Nice, which is obviously France, from Nice into Monaco, which is a standalone country. So we're going England, Nice, Monaco. Right, let's find out where we've got to check in. We're going hand luggage, little roll on, so we're not waiting for bags and stuff like that. So let's go and check in. Right then, we're boarding, just heading down now, gate 30. Just been into the toilets at Luton Airport, and I don't know if you remember, but the video I did the other week where I had to fit one of them Dyson air tap things that I'd never ever seen before, just went into Luton Airport toilets. There's loads of them in there. It's just a shame I couldn't have a look to see exactly how they're fitted. But yeah, we're just walking down now to gate 30. Let's jump on the plane.
Thank you. Thank you. Cheers, thank you.
Right, we're on the plane. UK stop 1, Nice stop 2, Monaco stop 3. So we're about 45 minutes now from landing in Nice, still on the aeroplane. I've managed to get next week's video edited up, so that's good to go. So hopefully I'll be able to get that out before I get this one out. Right then, we're through Nice Airport finally. Had a bit of a bonus. I shared the plane, the guy sat next to me, if you're into your F1 you'll know, was Rob Smedley, chief engineer for Felipe Massi in the sort of probably from late 2008, 9 up to 2016, something like that. Yeah, he sat next to me. I'll put a little picture here. Yeah, it's all good. Right, we've arrived. Right then, we're here. Let's go and take a look and see what sort of way it's plumbing. This is his door, obviously. This one isn't his. But that's the next door neighbour. So we'll see what it is, see what's wrong. Hello mate.
Hello mate.
Sorry it took so long.
I don't know what show, what time is this?
Traffic was mental, mate.
I don't know why. Come through, see my leak.
Yeah, let's have a look, see what's going on mate. Sorry it took so long.
Usual. Yeah, it's got a leak under the sink here.
Oh, it's just there.
It's just dripping.
What? Don't know where from?
No, just making a right mess down the bottom of there.
Well, I'll have a bit of a look over it, make sure everything's tight. But yeah, everything seems alright. I'll make sure that's tight. That's tight. But what the best thing we can do, Tim, with this is probably just keep an eye on it for a few days.
Okay. Yeah.
So keep an eye on it for a few days.
Alright.
We'll go from there. But what I'll probably do is just hang around for a little bit, make sure it's alright. So
keep your eye on it.
Keep my eye on it. So is there anything we can do? Anything can do to pass the time? Obviously we could have a little bit of a walk round, couldn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything else on?
There's some like karting events or something in town with some local lads. Gotta go
Alright.
there.
A little bit of cars and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Have a look at that, mate.
Sort of do, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah.
So obviously, I haven't just come out here just to fix a leak on my mate's kitchen sink. There's another reason why I'm over in Monaco doing a little bit of a call out. It is because things like this happen, and also the other side of that rock is the Monaco F1 GP track, where this weekend is Monaco F1 weekend. If you know what I'm like, you know I'm a massive car guy, Formula 1 guy. Followed Formula 1 to loads of races over the years, never done Monaco. So with a mate of mine living here, he invited me out. What more can you say? So let's go and do Monaco F1. So just left Tim's apartment. Tim's apartment's over here. That's the sort of the marina where he lives. If you look here, you go up these steps, round the corner, and you're literally on the side of the track. So we're going to get ourselves over there, round to the area where we're having dinner, which is opposite the harbour. So we have the yachts in front of us, racetrack in front of us, and watch the race unfold. Right, we've just got here. This content might not be you if you're not into Formula 1 or anything like that, but for me, this is just bucket list stuff. Bucket list stuff. This is the view we've got for the F1. We're here. Harbour here, we're having dinner down there. Yeah, just absolutely buzzing, you know. Fortunate to have a mate of mine who lives in Monaco. And we've greeted with this. I've spent 4 or 5 days here. Sunday race day. Just, I don't know. Yeah, what a day we're going to have, I think. It's all right, Tim, isn't it?
It'll do. I didn't know if we'd get there.
Yeah, so what we've got is start and finish lines down here. When they're coming up, we're here, we can see them coming right up, and then when they come back down, blown away, genuinely blown away. So we're probably 20 minutes now from the start of the Grand Prix. We've had the Porsche Cups out, we've had sighting laps, the cars have been out, they've been around the track, they're now back over the pits, which is just around that corner. So this is turn 1, as I think I've already said, up to Casino Square, come down out the tunnel down there, along here and back. But yeah, it's starting to fill up a little bit on here now. This is our sort of viewing station where we are. Yeah. It's going to be a mega day, I think. It's bloody hot though. Should have bought my cap, should have bought my Real World Plumbing cap out. Forgot it, didn't I? But yeah, every single window has got people in it. Every doorway, every balcony, and then I don't know if you can make out right up there is the roads going around where people are just trying to grab a viewing point. But yeah, for us to be here, that's the edge of the pit lane just there. So they're coming out there, but that's turn 1.
Sergio Perez, and you get the feeling Perez got tagged there Unfortunately,
that's why we got a red
we
flag.
got a Red Bull
and
with
Sergio
missing
Perez
a lot of pieces.
involved, and the Haas, I think, of Kevin Magnussen, and Nico Hulkenberg, I think, is the other car. Yeah.
So they've obviously tripped over an incident.
Let's have a look at the accidents involving the Hasses and Sergio Perez. And you get the feeling Perez got tagged there by the Haas of Kevin Magnussen, because he basically was turning right angles towards the barrier, going up Beau Rivage. Up there. Oh, and he got a tag from Kevin Magnussen.
Yeah, Magnussen was to his right.
Right, it's been a couple of days, obviously, kept ourselves busy. Double checked under here, everything seems alright, so yeah, it's all alright, Tim.
Is it?
Yeah, to be honest, mate, I can't, it's one of them, right, sometimes people have leaks and unless you can physically see where it's coming from, it's hard to find it, but keep an eye on it, mate. If it leaks again, just give me a shout. I don't mind popping around again, having a look and go from there.
Cool.
All right.
Cheers, mate.
Nice one. I'll sling a bill over to you anyway.
No problem.
What about cash? Do we deal for cash?
Cash?
Knock the tax off.